Thank you. Okay, ready, get set? 1, 2. Good morning, guys. Today is December 16th and time check is 11:30. Huh? Palis din yung asawa ko. Nakita niyo. Ayan. Mag-golf siya today. So kami na mga bata. Remember kahapon, nag-attend kami ng wedding. So today...
No, we're not going to a wedding. We're going to a party.
Yeah, I said, remember we went to the wedding yesterday. That's what I was saying, Zachary. So
Then
today...
we went where the pool. Yesterday?
Yeah, that was yesterday.
Where we will eat.
Yeah. So today,
So
my...
where did we eat?
Lagi niya ako kinakat.
No, where did we eat? Before.
In RSL. So can mommy talk?
One more. Made it off the tail.
Yeah. So today we're going to Valley Lake kasi yung bride and groom, may palityon sila, guys. So yeah, maraming food today. Tsaka ang ganda rin ng weather. Right, Zach?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Papunta na kami doon. Ito lang natin to.
The bay.
Good.
This is the bay.
No, he's gonna play at the bay.
Is it two bays?
No, there's only one bay, Zach.
One bay shop.
Yeah. Can you say hi to the vlog?
I
Can you
don't
talk? Can you talk? Can you talk to them?
know by myself.
Yeah.
But how take me?
Well, say anything. What you're gonna do? What is your plan when we get there?
We don't do the party for day. Then we don't go to the party to eat birthday. We don't do a playground. Then tonight.
It's not good night. It's morning. Look at this. Look at the weather. It's beautiful.
Then
Like
morning. Then
it's morning or good afternoon because 20 minutes
Then-
magto-12.
then bye.
Bye. And can you say thank you for them for supporting our channel?
Thank you for my channel. Play by my channels.
Hey, say it nicely. That's not very nice.
Oh,
You talk nicely to them.
I can't.
Why?
I did.
Do you know that they love you?
Hey,
The people.
where people?
People who watch our vlogs.
Where?
Everywhere.
Where? I can't see no one.
Of course they cannot see you.
I can't.
Yeah,
Yeah, on the channel, y'all.
yeah. Can you just say thank you? Thank you.
Thank you for watching us. Bye.
Say please continue to support us. Say continue to support our channel.
What's ring for Papa?
Means to keep watching our vlogs.
Why you always want to watch the flag?
Because remember I told you we did this. We are doing these vlogs because remember Mama and Papa?
Huh?
Remember Mama and Papa in the Philippines?
That's it.
Yeah, no, they are watching us.
There is Papa and Lola stick.
No, they're okay now kasi si
Oh, yesterday.
Mama ano ba yan?
No, did
Nagpa-treat ng
Papa still have
cataract niya.
blood?
No,
Why?
wala naman.
No more blood?
No, they're okay now.
They don't need medicine.
Yeah, they still do need medicine.
Why do they still stick? A little bit stick?
No, they're recovering now, Zach.
Mom,
Yes.
but
So remember
no.
we are doing these vlogs for Mama and Papa in the Philippines so they can see us. That's right. And we are thankful that there's people around somewhere there that are watching us.
I know. Just stop talking to listen.
What you gonna listen? So we just be thankful that people likes our vlogs. So that's the big bonus for us. Diba? Diba?
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, say hi to Papa and Lola. Say hi pa. Hi Lola.
Hello, Papa and Mom.
Tell them that you miss them so much. Come on. wanna listen what?
Here.
Alright. Okay guys,
On
mag-drive
the
na.
next flag. Bye.
No. Okay guys, mag-drive muna kami.
You're at the party of Bali Lake.
Say, okay guys. Say, okay guys.
Okay, bye.
No, say, okay guys.
Subscribe our channel, please.
No, say, okay guys.
Thank you for watching us.
Say, okay.
Bali Lake. Bye.
Say, I'll see you at the Valley Lake.
I did at the Bali Lake.
Say it nicely,
I
please.
did. Look, I did at the Bali Lake. Look.
Portugal the Man. Hey guys, we're Portugal the Man. Tell us what you think of it. Become a Hit VIP at hit.com.au.
Dito na kami sa ano, sa Hi! Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lechon. Eto, chinachop na ni Uncle Rainier. Hi, Uncle!
Hello.
Ang laki, kuya.
Maaga siyang umuwi, mga siguro.
Ayan yung palitsyon ng bride tsaka ng groom. Sarap.
Nakaupo ko sa simbahan.
Gawa lang tayo.
When you told me it's lunchtime.
Yeah. Ihatid ko lang si Sak sa playground
Hello,
kasi
guys.
medyo malayo yung table namin dito sa playground. Compare nung last time na pumunta tayo dito. Ayan na siya. Wait. Okay. Thank you. Sak, remember, you're not going out without mommy. You understand me? And you don't go, hey, you don't go there, huh?
Why?
Not there. You don't go outside the gate. Yeah, find Dion. Dion's here.
Huh?
Dion's here.
Do you know? Yeah, okay.
You understand me, Zach?
No.
There's a fence, means to say you're not allowed to go there. There? Okay. You have another one.
There's
Zach?
Okay, there's three. No, I got three.
You got Zach too, okay?
Okay, that's it. I'll keep an eye on them.
Okay, thank
Where'd the
you.
little girl go?
Huh?
There's another one. Where is she?
Oh, Sabrina.
Sabrina, that's her name. Okay.
Yeah, Sabrina. Okay. You listen to Kuya, okay? He's the one gonna look after you, okay? Zach. Zachy, okay? Okay. Balik. Okay. Balik na ako dun sa ano. Kasi si Holly. Hanapin ako nun ni Holly. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Ang daming pagkain. Kaya mabubusog tayo ng sobra-sobra. Yes! Kasi ito yung ano, ito yung playground. Wait, pakita ko sa yung ito yung playground. Ayan. Tapos ayun yung Valley Lake, yung lake, ayun. Tapos yung table namin yung hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ng tent. Hindi naman siya tent. Basta yung place na kung saan kayo kakain nandun. Yung nasa last na yon sa dulo doon. So medyo malayo siya. Kaya hinatid ko si Sak. So ayan o, 'di ba? Malayo yung ano, yung park. Pero may nagbabantay naman sa kanila si Philip. Which is good.
Nice sofa.
Hello, oh, your shoes. Your shoes. Wait, we're gonna eat now.
Cho?
Nag-golf.
Nag-golf.
Lisa, tira.
Tira-tira na. Di na po di ang karnitin, oh. Nainit na pagkaitin.
Ha?
Ma-contaminated na.
No, it's
Eat that all suck
yeah, you're
because
not
I
playing.
cook that for you.
That's right. Come on, Baba, Papa, ikaw rice?
Uy,
Sure,
yan naman
Kurt,
tayong
are you
patos
finished
ba?
with the pasta?
Yeah, oo.
Tuna.
Ubus niya.
Huh?
I want to go play.
Ba, you finished with the
Yeah.
pasta?
Yeah.
Are you sure? All?
Asa masarap. Salamat mo. Dinahan ko, Bill. Lagan mga bata pa rin niya.
You come back here. Dali kay someone is kwano.
Sarap. Sino nagluto?
Si Grace.
Sinong Grace? Hindi ikaw?
Hindi.
Ilan bang Grace natin?
Wait.
Dalawa.
Wait.
Dalawa, oy.
Guys, may sarili akong rice cooker na dala. Choke. Hindi. Ewan, kanino to, Tin?
Amin yan.
But, dinala mo lang talaga dito. Para talaga sa akin to.
Para sa'yo yan. Kasi takaw ka sa ano, rice.
Oh, matakaw talaga ako sa rice.
Ay, halik ko, halik. Halik ba? Halik. Halik.
Holly! Holly! Ha? Yeah, Baba. Hello, Baba. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Say hi there. Hi. Say hi here. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Ang sarap ng luto, Tin. Here, Baba. Okay, wait for mommy, huh? I'm just gonna get some. Say hi. Hi to Kuya Philip.
Hi. Oh my
Say
gosh,
hi.
she's so cute. Hold on.
Say
You
hi.
are the cutest little thing. Oh
Say
my god,
hello.
you're precious. High five.
Say high five. Up
High
here,
five.
up here. Up here.
Up
Up
here?
here. Up here. Up here.
Oh.
Up here to Kuya. Up here. Up here. Up here. Up here. Up here.
Bye.
Knuckles.
She's
Knuckles.
so cute.
You know how to knuckles. 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 Knuckles.
Oh
That's
my
what-
god,
that's
you're
what he-
so cute. Oh,
Say
she's so
thank
pretty.
you.
Oh my god.
So say thanks
You're
to your
so
Philip.
pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, you're gonna grow up to be so pretty when you're older.
Yeah, thank
Oh
you.
my gosh, she's so adorable. Oh. Oh.
Have you eaten?
Yeah. What are you doing for Christmas this year?
We're going to Melissa's house for
Oh,
Christmas.
yep.
We do like turns, like
Take turns, yeah,
take
yeah.
turns. So
Oh.
this year, it's a dog, it's a puppy. You like puppy? Say hi, doggy.
Come here.
Say hi, Pat. Come on, we pat the dog like this. Say hi.
Oh, he's gonna
Hi,
lick.
Say
Oh, you got a secret smile up.
Yay! Again.
Manny, come.
Money.
Look at her.
Say hi. Say hello.
Oh, look at her smile.
Again? Later again.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Oh,
See you later. Oh,
Dog.
She loves dog.
Even it's puppy, even it's puppy, but I love it.
Dog. No. Dog. Dog is gone. Here, Baba. Have something. Yeah, here, Baba.
You eat mini, there's lots of food there. Oh, thank you. They'll be coming after church.
Yeah? Help, Mama.
What time is church? I don't know because it's
Love you.
they have has he got any children?
Yeah.
One. Yeah, was he at the wedding yesterday? Yeah. He's my best man and his wife is my brother.
Clap.
I didn't see any children yet. It's children there yesterday. Yeah. Let's go.
On Tuesday.
Where you staying?
Bella apartment. It's
Hi.
CBD.
You're thirsty?
Have you eaten?
Yeah, I am. I can't eat
Water.
because I
Can you get
I
your
am
water?
cerebral.
Till may tubig ka doon na dala.
Marami ha?
Sak, can you get water? Sak,
Come here. What?
What's the one that's
can you get water? Ask them. Come on, sit down. Come on. Kay Tito Lito.
too much running?
Oh na, it's normal. Ako din, ganyan din ako. Pag tumatakbo, yung dito, yung ilalim ng ribs.
Oh, ako din.
Parang ginaganong ka. Normal naman yun. Kasi hindi siya na Yeah.
Imo ng rice tanan John, unsa na John? Kakainin mo yung rice.
My son. Andit, no. Tubig daw, kuya. Kuya, tubig daw.
Ha?
Water.
Teaching?
Water daw, Litz, please.
You're not teaching him?
I'm teaching but no.
A private
Yeah, private Catholic school.
Oh, thank you.
One more thing.
Please. Please sit down.
That's my
Alis
son.
dyan.
And my first.
Hi, Kurt. Hi. Hi. Say hi.
Hi to that video.
Harrier.
Oh.
Dion.
Where
Yes,
did
he
you
is.
park?
Look. Mom,
over
look
there?
at Dion. Hey.
up there.
Look at this boy. Look how strong I am.
I went to the last time when I was working and I have no
Yeah.
I have no one help me. Like I want to. I'm always ask help hand. So who's that? Can I drop my Sunday? No, I'm busy.
Tingnan nyo yung mga bata. Andun sila. I was looking for you, Zach.
What?
Are you having fun?
Wait,
Huh?
Yes. Let me spoon this
Yes.
bowl.
Look at Zach.
Where is my...
You're so tall, Zach. You're taller than mommy now.
Why not? I just stop here.
You just sat
Look,
there.
look.
Oh, si Sako. Punta siya ng playground kasama yung friend niya. Oh, gusto niya umalis. Oh, halika na.
Maglakad-lakad na yan.
Mm-mm. Okay, remove this.
Next Saturday, if you can. What's your name again?
Chona.
Chona.
Next Saturday, if you can, try and get into that enclosed area.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the kids can run around.
Can run and play inside, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
We're going.
Don't come with me.
Can I come to Uncle Rainier?
Gusto maghabulo sa mga...
Here lang, Holly. Where you going? Oh, thank you. She gave me a flower. Thank you. Thank you, love. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Holly. Holly, say hi. Tinitingnan niyo yung bata. Darling. Holly. Say hi. Ay? Hi. Don't move, Holly. Sit down, Holly. Smile. Ready? Holly! Holly, look, mommy! Woo! Pagod ako, Holly. More? Bubbles. Eh! Halik, mama. Wow. Lalab, mami.
Eh?
Good girl. Good girl, Holly. Stay down, boy. Hey, careful. 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 Well done. And where are you going? Okay, sit down. Good girl. Go see? Okay, do this. Do this like this. Oh. Papa. What do you want?
I don't think for me.
Water. Thank you, dear. Holly.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by.
What's the ice cream?
Thank you.
Mickey Mouse. Play down to go home.
Are you sure? You wait for Dion and Sab, okay?
Why is it not coming on? Go to the playground. David!
Careful, okay, Sam? Careful. Lay down. Lay down.
Mga professional may mga position pang iba. Split palik-split wala.
Let's go, let's roll.
We can dance, we can get high, we're coming on. I feel alive, anywhere. Just you and I, just let me down, we won't be lying. When all my feelings go, and I take a shot for you. Get me down, get me down, never let you know. Get me down. Come here. Never let you go. Give me your love. has been gone. I feel alive anywhere.
That's it?
Go.
1, 2,
Wait.
3. Oh, we should go there, Zach.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, wait, I'll go back.
Why?
Because I want there.
Are you going back to the party then play then? Why you not doing?
Just gonna go in that way.
Why?
So we can see the lake. Okay. Okay, can you close the vlog?
I'm not again.
Please.
I use a soda flag.
Why can't you?
I'm so tired. I did. I don't want to stay to bed. I want to go home.
You wanna go home? We're going
Is
home.
that home already?
I'm not sure.
That I'm not sure. Not sure. I don't have a look
Where?
at the home.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Say see you on my next vlog. Say thank you.
I don't see your home. Bye.
Pagod na siya. Si Holly tulog na siya sa likod. Oh.
Mom, this is a playground. But Mom,
Yes. Yes, I agree. It's hot.
what did guys do watching us?
Who?
The guys.
Who's guy?
Lola and Papa.
Oh yeah, Papa and Lola are watching us on YouTube. Because Lola and Papa are missing us.
That why you want to stay out here?
Yeah.
They're not there. That's the wrong way.
Are you going to sleep?
Huh?
Are you going to sleep?
Hey.
You? Are you? Okay, have a little nap.